Clermont Bowling Alley. It's a glass installed here at Clermont Bowling Alley. Laminated safety glass. Laminated safety glass. So guys, this is another install by Starlite Glass, 352-999-3000. Storefront laminated safety glass. So the glass got broken. Here we're replacing the glass. Clermont Bowling Alley. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you. So guys, the glass is installed here. This is the Clermont Bowling Alley here. And Clermont been here for years. My kids used to come and bowl here when they were younger. So here you have the glass. Thank you for watching.